Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Lika. So I am coming here today to share with you all things that I'll be packing for my girls' backpack, like for their emergency essentials. And I feel like I already showed y'all their supplies. So right now I'm just sharing with y'all a few things that I'm going to pack in their emergency kits. Pretty much Maria already had her things packed, but she didn't have a few things packed, y'all. So I'm just coming here and share. Maria is now a freshman, so she's already used to all this emergency kit things. It's pretty much, I'm really doing this for Sheila, because Sheila is now going to junior high, y'all. Sheila's going to 6th grade. I'm trying to prepare Sheila to make sure she's staying fresh, take care of her hygiene, especially in grade school, because there could be some cruel kids, and we don't got time for that. Make sure you're staying fresh, make sure you're doing what you need to do as a young lady. So we're gonna go ahead and pack her emergency kit things, y'all. My whole family is home, so you might hear a little chaotic noise in the background. I'm gonna try to make this quick so you don't have to hear any of it done. I already had these bags, so instead of us going out buying more bags, we're gonna use what we got. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a few things that I'm gonna put in Sheila's bag. I am missing a few things here, but it is in her room, like her body spray. I feel like I could have told her to bring it downstairs just for the video, but we don't have to do all that. Her body spray, her extra pair of leggings, and undergarments or whatever, just for emergencies. You never really know. So first of all, Sheila got her backpack from Target yesterday, y'all, which was only $30. I forgot the brand, but I'll put it right there for y'all. Lovely backpack, sturdy as ever. It has so many hidden departments for her, like so many departments you wouldn't even think was on this backpack. I love the fact that you wanted to keep it simple, because let me see, I'm over here destroying her backpack already. Sheila picked this backpack out herself. She actually found it online, her and my husband, and we went to go pick it up, y'all. Absolutely love her backpack. It's very deep, and the padding, I don't know what type of padding this is, but it's a good padding to where it will protect her laptop, because she'll be doing a lot of laptop work, y'all. But I'm like, this was really nice for $30. Normally we really don't pay that much for a backpack, just because we don't. I feel like their backpacks get ruined throughout the whole school year. But I feel like the reason why that is because they be cheap. Like, I swear after 4 months, y'all, they be having holes all in their backpacks. So this time we said we was going to get a little bit more pricier with their backpacks. And she asked for this one, which wasn't bad. This is actually the padding I'm talking about. It's like real soft. Real soft. For like carpet. But she got some of her school supplies already in here, if y'all can see. Some of her stuff already in here, and of course we're going to add her school supplies, not her school supplies, her personal hygiene things. So this bag should fit her things in there. So let me show y'all what I got the girls. I got the girls both a deodorant spray. They have a regular secret deodorant in their room, the powder one you just put on, but I wanted to get them a spray one just for the school. Just in case a friend might want to use some spray, they could just spray it and they ain't got to put their deodorant under their arms. But I just feel like this was a nice little, quick little, if you feel like you might need to freshen up, especially after gym class. But this one I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. I normally don't get deodorant from Dollar Tree, but I said we're going to try these ones out and see what happens. But it says it's cruelty-free, dye-free, vegan, and a few other things that's really good, to where I don't feel like it's going to give them an allergic reaction or break them out or anything. So we got them both a spray deodorant. I also seen these cute little lotion pumper things, and all you gotta do is push down on the sides like this. I ain't going to waste their lotion, but they thought it was so cute that I did that for them. So I got them both one of these, and I just filled it up with some lotion, y'all. And this one is just a fragrance-free lotion, so they could use it for their face, their hands, whatever. They both got this. I also came across these Dippin' Dots Cookies and Creams alcohol-free hand sanitizer. All this stuff is inexpensive. I did not go to Target to get a bunch of stuff. I'm just trying to make sure the girls are straight. So these ones was like 2 in a pack for $1.25. Can't beat that. I also got them some hair ties. They can split them up, do whatever they want to do with them. But Maria actually had a lot of hair ties already, but I thought these colors was cute. And you never know, they might want to pull their hair back or something. So I got them these. I also got them a Soap Range Baby's Moisturizing Lip Balm, safe and gentle, add protection, moisturizing, alcohol pigment free. So we'll see how that is. I'll give them both one of these because I promise y'all, when it comes to school and their lips, all of their lips be so dry when they come home. I'll be like, well, didn't I give you a chapstick? They're always losing the chapsticks. Hopefully, being that they're getting a little older, they can keep up with a lip balm, y'all. I also got them both a pack of gum. I prefer for them not to chew gum in class. Y'all need a little something during lunch or whatever, gum, or even in the morning before you get into the building. Sometimes gum is needed. I was gonna get them some mints too, but we might still get the mints. So I got them some gum. I also got Maria a small edge control. Maria's the only one who wears edge control. Sheila do not wear edge control. So it's like an emergency one. She always love her edges on fleek, y'all. Y'all know how these girls is nowadays. So I got her a small one so she don't try to walk out my house with the big one. A comb. They both will have braids in their hair, but for an emergency. I forgot to get the girls their individual tissues. I'm gonna still get them, but I also packed them a few paper towels just to put in the bag for them. You never know when you'll need them. I also got Sheila a pack of little pads. Not that she need them no time soon. And I also got some Tylenol. I prefer for them to go to the nurse first because I know when Maria was like in 7th grade, her teacher gave her a hard time going to the nurse's office because some of the kids made it hard for the other students who were roaming the halls instead of going to the nurse's office. I had to call up to the school, like my daughter, if she asked to go to the nurse, please send her to the nurse because she need to go to the nurse. I don't like the fact that y'all not letting her go to the nurse. She's a young lady and some of us be having them cramps like. So and I ain't even gonna lie, I told her to take a few of these before and just use it if you need to. Tell the teacher to call me if she have to call me. So I'm gonna do the same thing with Sheila. I'm just gonna put it in like a smaller bottle for her and just send her with a few of these. And I would probably definitely still notify the nurse and let them know that I let my daughter come with pain pills because we're not playing none of that. Like, when I was in grade school, it was a must for me to have something for me to stay focused because them cramps is not no joke, especially as a young lady. Like, and that is all. So only thing I do need to get is their body spray, a pair of leggings each, some black ones. You never know when you'll need another pair of leggings. Undergarment, of course. And I believe that's it. I want to get like a little Tide brush or a Tide eraser thing, y'all. Y'all know that little thing y'all use if you get a stain on your shirt or something. I'm gonna get that. But for the most part, they have everything they need. I showed Sheila's backpack. Maria ended up getting the SPRAYGROUND backpack, y'all. This was a little bit more pricier than Sheila's. We splurged a little bit on Maria because she is a freshman in high school, y'all. And she been thinking about this SPRAYGROUND for a while. So my husband and I both went on and got it for her. And I didn't regret it. I mean, at first I was all like, that's expensive for a backpack. But after I seen it and went through all the backpack holes and departments, I'm like, oh, this was well worth it. She got her, oh, she already got her body spray and her, look at her. She already packed, this is going to leak though. She cannot keep that in there like that. She got her little set. This is the set my sister-in-law got her from Victoria's Secret. So she got her stuff packed, but I'm gonna tell her this is going to leak. She can't keep that in there like that. So I like the fact that she was prepared. She got her little SPRAYGROUND already packed. It comes with like a laptop department. And then she was showing me some other little departments that's in here that was hidden. She was telling me like if she get 3 of these, she could get a free one. So I don't know, but this right here is very deep. She can fit almost anything in the side department. And then we got something in the back. Let's see. Oh, she could probably even put her laptop all the way in here. Wow. I love the SPRAYGROUND backpack, y'all. So I had to show y'all because this backpack was like the main thing on her list. But it was well worth it. And this one was sold out like the day after we got it for her. Them SPRAYGROUNDs was selling out so fast, y'all, so fast. But I actually love the Minion. This is Maria's. And yeah, y'all, I hope I was able to help with a few things for your tweens or your teenager, y'all. I just want the girls to stay prepared and ready for whatever, because you never know. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we will see y'all in the next video. Bye.